find yourself using the same groupings of exercises all the time, you can save what's called a template. Say, for example, I'm always giving my clients or patients shoulder prep, and I'll use hip prep. And say I put in some specific parameters here that I really like, and then maybe I've made some adjustments to what I wanted to do. Also add a side plank or something like that. Instead of just saving it as a playlist, I can now save it as a template, which is really cool. So this is going to be now my new template. I'm going to call it that. I'm going to save it as a template. And why templates are really, really cool is that once it's saved as a template, I can always reference these two exercises and constantly pull them whenever I want. So you're going to see at the top, we have this exercise or we have this templates area. So I need to refresh this real quick. You're going to see that after this refreshes, that the template that I just designed is now going to be in my templates area. So that way, anytime I go to build a new exercise, I can easily load those two exercises in and send them out to someone new or use them and build off of them. So here are my templates. I'm going to click the load button over here. Once I click the load button, it's going to open up in the side and they're all going to be there. Same thing with this button. I'm going to click load on my phone and it's going to open up over there. And now you're going to see that when I scroll down in both of them, boom, I have the two exercises that I had originally saved now on my playlist builder, and I can easily then taking those bones, I can then now add extra things or can slightly change the parameters of something, and then I can save a new playlist and I can make it for John Doe. And this is now John Doe's playlist. It's very, very easy to access templates this way. What's also really cool about templates is that we pre-designed some of our favorite templates inside of the template builder. So when you go to templates, you're going to see that there are my templates, which is the ones that you have saved, or there's what's called TPG templates. These are our templates. Click on that section on the TPG templates. You're going to see sample, prehab, or rehab programs that we have designed. Now, we have certain prehab programs that are available on our app. All the samples are available here, or other one-off prehab programs, like say hip flexor prehab. I'm going to click load, but I got to get rid of my list first. And I can load that in. I can do that in my phone as well. It's the same exact thing. So if I click load for one of these TPG templates, I can now see what our version of a hip flexor prehab program is going to look like. And we will be continually adding new templates to this as time goes on. So now I have our literal hip flexor prehab program in here that you can use. You can save it for yourself. I'm going to save it as a playlist, hip flexor prehab. Click save over here. Same thing on the phone. It's down there. I can click save on the phone, save as playlist. So that's a little slow. Playlist saved. And now I have a new playlist called hip flexor prehab that I can access at any time I want and view it the same way by clicking the view all button and clicking on that.